track live. About to go on ahead and stream it. I see we got a good surprise here for y'all today. They ought to be cutting up, you hear me? But anyway, we out here at Yello Belly, the hood track, the gut, and we're about to see what we got coming up next. Like we got a little Camaro right here. Look out, man. I just seen you online getting tuned by the best, they say. Well, that's what you said. You was proud to be getting tuned by the best, AMP.
It was.
It was. You felt good.
First pass, man.
Yeah.
Loose in that right lane.
What?
I'm about ready to load the sucker back on the trailer.
Well, you making some power now?
No, it don't make no power. It just got loose.
This your first time going fast? I ain't never seen you just really have nothing at the track racing.
Drag races. What I say, 7, 8 years?
7, 8 years? That is a long time.
So, my first pass to go down and get sideways, scared the shit. I don't want to do it again, though. Second pass, it didn't do it. Second pass, it went, but I short shit.
Everything? Oh, okay.
I was waiting for it to.
You were checking it then.
Again. I can't see it.
Let me make sure everything going right on there.
520? Ain't it supposed to be 0, 0?
Let me make sure everything working correctly.
Or is it 500 street?
Is everything working correctly?
32. Yeah, this says 32 too.
Let's go see. Alright, y'all.
Bye, bub.
Let's see. Just crunk up. Nothing much. Look out. Nah, I ain't think nobody. I'ma stop. This gonna be my last time. Only person that asked me was easy. He hit me up before I came.
That's what I'm gonna start doing.
Cause I ain't know. Yeah, I usually, but look out, look out. We got Haim Swervo in the building, guys. Nicodemus too. What's up with him? Trying to check out, see what the gut and brung us today. I'm about to LS swap a 03 Mustang. Luke 77. Okay. What's up with it, man? I think an 03 Mustang, that'll be a good choice. Hey! What that sound like up there? What you gonna do to it? You putting a 6053 overdrive transmission? What you gonna go? I'm finna give me a lookout racing thing right here, y'all. How big is this, man? Let me look at this one time for the one time, see how big. Let me see it. Oh, that's one. Oh, okay, that's 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 by 9? That's too long. Gerald Nim. Hey. 5.3 with a big single turbo. Okay. They say that's a good combination. Who is this up here revving? Get the converter hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. What it supposed to be at? Like, well, how much?
Like 150.
150? You gonna get the rest of it when you get up there and do a burnout, right? Okay.
We're gonna pull up. Oh, he's right here.
Oh yeah, let me catch these. Troy, who you finna race, man?
Homeboy right there.
Oh, Snap, you think you got him? You got him or what?
I don't know. Hey, you the homeboy with the Mustang?
Yeah. I got a little Mustang.
It's pretty quick. You gonna race Home Depot again?
Yeah, I'm gonna run Home Depot. Yeah, man. Shit, hell. What happened that night I ran Home Depot? I think I ran out of nitrous or something. My nitrous wasn't working. I just be racing Home Depot. Every time he want to race me, I just race him. I don't be caring. I don't be betting him no money. But what about this turbo diesel right here, photo, man? You got him or what?
Kept up with that Audi.
He kept up with the Audi? Oh, no, you can't give him then. Let me go see what he got, man. I ain't bring none of that. I would have brought the Caprice. If I would have brought the Caprice, nobody would have wanted to race it. But, wait, you got the fucking supercharger, wait. That's all they say. That's all they say. Nah, it really ain't that fast. I want to make it fast. What's up with it? We got the Stone Vet in the house, y'all. Look out, man. They talking about you got a grudge race coming up, man. You ready? Yeah. You gonna handle them? I'm finna bet on you. I just bet them 100. Yeah, I got them. I bet them 100. But I got odd money. It's my 300 today 100.
What?
Yeah, they talking about. I feel like you should get them because you got a diesel turbo. All right, when my boy get in, he'll change it up from the podcast. Oh, matter of fact, I might be able to now. Yeah, I got the truck. How much? I want the truck. Look out. Huh? Man, I'm trying to change this title real quick. You dead forward. I'm glad I ain't get caught up in that. Confident about it. But my bed, that little cam over here ain't gonna be able to stop this big old turkey. And they gluing them down too. Oh yeah. Team Thundercock. Oh yeah. Team Thundercock. Do you know how to change it? Let me see if I can find it.